Hey guys, so welcome back to Data with Dominic. And today I just wanted to talk to you about this tool called Mockaroo, available at mockaroo.com, which basically just allows you to um, create fake data or generate fake data based on any production data you might have, or just on any random format that you want, or random schema that you want to, and just you can test out various data applications that you might be using, or uh, data workflows, or data life cycles that you want to test out. So it's just a really cool tool, and I thought it would be great if I share this with you so you can um, just try it out. And it's got some really helpful features which I'll come to. So the first thing is just basically how you can create the structure of the table. Alright, so when you go to mockaroo.com, you land on this sort of structure, this homepage, which allows you to create some mock data in a table. So you can just enter age. Suppose I want to create a column for age. These are basically a field or column names, and then I can choose what type of data it should be populated with. So suppose I want it to be age to be populated with numbers. I can choose numbers, and then it gives us the range of values. So age can obviously go from 1 to about 120, I think, is within the field of possibility. Then you can choose if you want decimals or not, and then whether you want blank data or not, and then you can specify some code as well to sort of further specify the kind of values that you want to populate the table. But I think this is the most interesting part, right? So you can choose the number of rows. You can go all the way up to 1,000,000 rows or even more, and then even cooler than that is you can specify the format, right? And the really cool thing about the format, especially for you new SQL users, is when you hit the SQL format, you can choose your table name. So suppose this is just, say it's a student's table, right? I can use the include create table, and then when I preview the data, what it does is it creates or generates the create statement along with the insert into statement. So I can just copy all this data, head over to whatever SQL tool I'm using, paste and run, and I've got some generated fake data or mock data to work with in my in whatever SQL tool I'm using. So which is all often a problem with SQL tools, that it doesn't give you any data to work with out of the box. I know in SQL Server you can get AdventureWorks and Northwind, Contoso, some of those databases, but for beginners, just to go through the process of creating a table and ingesting data into the table, this is a really cool tool, apart from all the other formats which it can generate, such as CSV, JSON, tab delimited, Excel, XML, Cassandra. Yeah, and apart from that, you can sort of save your schemas or table names. I've not logged in, and you can create data sets as well. Now mock APIs, yeah, all these I've not logged in yet. Does give me access just to maintain some privacy, but yeah, that's a little bit about Mockaroo, and a tool that I think many of you would love using, being in this data space. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.